Doing same task every now and then makes homemakers' life mundane and boring. To keep the motivation for doing the task is essential. So I am sharing few tips that I do my motivation going on. Setting a 10-minute timer for tasks is a perfect start for the days when I feel lazy or lethargic. Setting this timer encouraged me to stand up and complete the task within the given time. It made me feel that it is only matter of 10 minutes and the work will be done. I select any task that is pending or needs my attention and focuses on to complete the task under 10 minutes. This way I don't lose my focus, and as I complete doing the task, I feel happy and motivated to do more such 10-minute tasks. From making my bed to dusting around the corner or picking up my kids' toys and have a neat and clean room. All these things only requires 10 minutes of time, and it's good and tidy once they are done. To see what this 10-minute timer rule can do, give it a try and know yourself how it quick starts the work and give you that motivation to keep doing the things around the house. This habit of setting a timer and doing things on the go really helps me to get up and do some quick work, and I'm always very happy after the work is done as the place looks neat and tidy. At some point of the day, we all feel different energy levels throughout our daily routine. I usually feel energized in morning as soon as my kid leaves the house for school. I can do things without any disturbance and hustle. So I use that time to complete the chores that are not in regular routine, but to be done on a weekly basis. Completing tasks in the morning makes me feel motivated for the day. In our daily routine, we have chores that requires most high to low efforts. So whenever I want to feel relaxed, so I choose to do gardening chores or something that relaxes me. Watering plants, cleaning their leaves hardly takes any time and energy, and being close to greenery makes my heart happy and calms my mind too. This way these small but unavoidable chores can be done, and once anything is done is going to encourage to keep going and attain the daily goals. Most of the time and energy is consumed in cooking food at home. So whenever I got some time in between, I do small meal preps for the meals, such as chopping, boiling potato, chickpeas and storing them in the refrigerator. It changes from one thing to another on daily basis. This way, I'll always have different options to cook at home without feeling lazy. Doing small meal preps will only take few minutes of my time, but they do help me a lot to keep me stress-free. It's now been around 2 years since I have started doing meal preps, and with time I have discovered many ways to do so, that too hustle-free. Meal plans also encourage to cook more meals at home and ditch eating outside food and ordering that too. Also, having a healthy food at home is important to have a good health and keeps you motivated without feeling lethargic. These habits are small, but effects can be seen on a day-to-day basis, as eating healthy definitely encourages you to do more things at home and keeps you going in the routine without any guilt. Laundry is one whole task, from putting the clothes to a washing machine to drying and then finally folding them and keeping them at their place. Doing such tasks may seem boring and unending, but I try and use my free leisure time, such as watching TV or talking someone over the phone. These works quickly gets done and also don't feel like burden. Taking out this time and breaking tasks into smaller one helps to keep the home organized and tidy. And this is all needed for a homemaker's motivation. To keep things going smoothly, I do some planning or organize my days ahead. This saves me from last minute hustle and chaos to some extent. Knowing tasks that are coming ahead definitely gives me time to plan and be prepared for them. It's my small habit of monthly calendar, and before going to bed, I write down the things next that I have to do. While taking care of kids, home and much more can be too much sometimes. In between, I try to do some self-care that makes me feel calm and good about myself. Taking care of body physically as well as mentally is important aspect to feel good, happy and motivated. Doing exercise, going for short walks definitely adds to being healthy and sound. And a little exercise always goes a long way. So I always try and do the things to take care of myself and to keep myself happy and motivated, and things that always keeps me going on daily basis. Kitchen is heart and soul of a house. A messy kitchen can never help me to attain that motivation for daily chores. So it's my daily habit to organize and place everything at their place before I go to bed every night. Making place for everything reduces the visual clutter, which in turn help to keep the things tidy and organized. A clean, organized and a tidy kitchen is important and first step for me to feel motivated the very next morning. So for me, this habit is most important to get going for the next day too. It's challenging to feel motivated on a daily basis, that too doing the same chores. So I tried and I shared few ways that I do in my daily life and routine that keeps me going. I hope they will help you too. If you like the video, then consider following for more such home and daily lifestyle videos. Bye guys, Mom Tech signing off. Take care.